graduate students in the Department of Food and Animal Sciences, and I'm here to present on the fecal microbiome composition in beef cattle response to different backgrounding systems. Backgrounding is an important phase in livestock production. So this is the phase between weaning and feedlots. And this phase is crucial because that's when we feed our animals to improve their body condition for feedlots. The objectives of the studies are to evaluate microbiome dynamics in beef cattle under different backgrounding systems, and also to study the effects of backgrounding system on average daily gain of beef calves. So the experimental unit was not Central Outreach Research Station of the University of Minnesota, and 38 weaned calves were used for this study, and we have 3 different timelines. The first one is the weaning, the backgrounding, and the finishing. The backgrounding consisted of 3 different diets: the cover crop, dry lots, and perennial pasture. And at finishing, all of them had high energy ration. So at each of these timelines, we collected fecal samples from the rectum, and which was used for microbiome analysis. This is the composition of the experimental diet, which includes the backgrounding diet and also the finishing. So we observed that there was significant difference in these. In backgrounding affected average daily gain with time. At weaning, there was no significant difference in average daily gain, and at backgrounding, there was significant difference with cover crop having the least average daily gain. So we can see that backgrounding affected the average daily gain at timeline 2. But at timeline 3, there was no significant difference. And if you look at the alpha diversity, at weaning, there was no significant difference in microbial population of the there was no significant difference in microbial population, but at backgrounding, there was significant difference with dry lots having the least microbial population. Also, with this Simpson index, you can see that at backgrounding, which is timeline 2, dry lots has the least microbial population. And if you look at the beta diversity with cover crop, see that the bacteria diverge from weaning to finishing. Also, the bacterial population in dry lots diverged from weaning to finishing. Likewise, the one for perennial pastures diverged from weaning to finishing. And this represents the bacteria samples for each of the animals used in this experiment. So these are 38 because we used 38 different animals. And it can be concluded that backgrounding has impact on average daily gain of beef calves. Likewise, the fecal microbiome was modulated by backgrounding, which could be important in improving feeding strategies to improve animal performance. Thank you.